Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can edit your Bitget API key. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, just simply open your Bitget at very first, and after opening that, go to more section. And from here, directly go to tools, and after going into the tools, you will get this option of API keys. Just simply select API keys option, and after that you will get to see your current API key into this section. And if you can't see this one, you can create a new one, but here comes the catchy part. You cannot actually change your API key from here. You just simply have to do or use other methods in order to change your API key. One method here is to delete the existing one and create a new one by entering code that you will get into your email and messages. Just simply enter or paste the code in here and tap to confirm. Then Bitget will create a new API key for your account, and this way you can very easily change or edit your API key into Bitget. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.